Hey, it's your boy Rich B here, and I'm in Santiago, Chile. I decided to get some junk food. Yep, some junk food. It's the weekend, hey, whatever. So, here is some junk food Spanish. So, the junk food Spanish, I tried this junk food called Gansito. Never tried it before. It's all right. You know, I ate the whole box, so it must be pretty good. Ain't the best junk food I ever tasted, but it did the trick. I said it come with 4. I said I was gonna eat 1, but messed around and ate the whole box. See, I'm on the last one I'm about to tear into. I already tore it up, okay? But, okay, so this is junk food Spanish. Real quick lesson of the day, because you probably gonna get the munchies too, okay? So, it says Gansito, it says contiene 4 pastelitos. So, contain 4 cakes, okay? Pastel, cakes. Pastelitos, like little cakes, okay? De 50 grama. 50 grama uno. So, 50 grams per unit, okay? And it warns you, as most signs in Latin America, it warns you what's contained. So it says, alto en azúcares, high in sugar. Alto en grasas saturadas, high in saturated fats. Alto en calorías, high in calories. But you know what? I don't care right about now. It's the weekend and I want some junk food, okay? Got the munchies. So I'm fully aware, so don't judge, okay? Now it says 200 gramas. So the whole shebang contains like 200 grams, okay? It says bizcocho relleno y con cobertura sabor chocolate. So I don't know what that bizcocho, but it's filled with something, okay? Covered with the flavored chocolate. Now I understand what that means, so that's all right. You may not understand every Spanish word you come across, but hey, if you know in the comments, you know what that means, let me know, because I don't know what that means. What else is that? So that's basically all it is. Hey, I picked this up. Let's see what this is on the side too. Contáctanos, síguenos, escríbenos. And you notice how all those words rhyme? That's what you can find out about Spanish too. Spanish has a rhythm. Once you tap into it, you notice a lot of words got that same flow or they rhyme. A lot of words rhyme or have a same rhythm. Contáctanos, síganos, escríbenos. That's the thing about Spanish. Gansitos. And I picked these up. I bought these at Líder, which is the Walmart in Santiago, Chile. And yes, that is actually Walmart, just under a different name. Walmart bought them out, I believe, in 2009 or so, and they're operating undercover here as Líder. So big up to Walmart. Okay, so that's the Spanish lesson of the day. And if you got value out of this video, do me a favor and reach out and smash that like button. And be sure to subscribe because you don't want to miss a thing. And until next time, remember, you don't have to be perfect. Just be good enough.